My dear students, today we are continuing with lesson 6 study of continent. We started with North America. We discussed about the formation of continent. Then we learned about heat zones and the location of North America. And today I am going to teach you about political divisions. North America has three large countries and several smaller ones. North America has mainly three large countries. Which are they? Canada, USA, and Mexico. Canada is the largest country and it makes up, these three countries make up about 95% of the area of North America. Especially Canada accounts for about half the area of the continent. North America has three large countries and several smaller ones also, and Canada is the largest country of North America, and USA and Mexico also there, and these three countries together make up about 95% of area of North America, and Canada accounts for the about half the area of the continent. Okay, and now we will discuss about the land. North America may be divided into four major physical units. We can divide North America into four parts, four major physical units. Which are they? The Western Cordilleras, the Appalachian Mountain, the Great Plains, and the Canadian Shield. So first we can discuss about the Western Cordillera. The Cordillera, what is mean by it? It is a chain of parallel mountain ranges. What is it? It is a chain of parallel mountain ranges. Okay, the Rocky Mountains are the easternmost and the most prominent ranges in the Western Cordillera. Okay, and the Western Cordillera run all along the western side of North America from Alaska to Panama, and the desert of North America lies between the ranges of Western Cordillera. The desert of North America, it lies between the ranges of Western Cordilleras. Okay, and the next we can see that the Appalachian Mountains. The Appalachian Mountain are also called the Eastern Highland. What is the another name? It also called the Eastern Highlands. The Appalachian are all fold mountains. Already we have discussed about kinds of mountain, and this is the category of fold mountain, old fold mountain. Okay, and they have been worn down over millions of years, and now the highest mountain peak is just about 2000 meters in height. Okay, and next we can discuss about the Great Plains. What is the position or the place between the Western Cordilleras and the Appalachians? There is a region of vast fertile lowlands between the Western Cordillera and the Appalachian. Middle of this we can see a vast region, fertile lowland. It is known as Great Plains or the Central Plains. Okay, and these plains extended from the delta of the river Magnus and the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Gulf of Mexico in the south. And next we can see the Canadian Shield. Where is the position of Canadian Shield? In the north part of the continent around Hudson Bay lies the Canadian Shield. Okay, we can see some of the oldest rocks, and this region is rich in metallic minerals. Already we discussed about meaning of metallic minerals, and these regions are very rich in metallic minerals. And the entire Canadian Shield, it was covered by thick ice sheets during the last ice age. In the last ice age, this entire Canadian Shield, it was covered by thick sheets of ice. Okay, and next we can see that the important rivers of North America. North America has a large number of rivers in the north. Mississippi is the most important river of the continent. Mississippi is the most important river of this continent. So what we have learned today, children? We discussed about political division. North America has 3 large countries. Which are they? Canada, Mexico and USA. And next we discussed about the land of North America. We can divide it into 4 major physical units. Which are they? The Western Cordillera, the Appalachian Mountain, the Great Plains and the Canadian Shield. What is Western Cordillera? The Cordillera means it is a chain of parallel mountain ranges. Then we discussed about the Appalachian Mountain. Okay, it is also called, these mountains are also called Eastern Highland, and the Appalachians are old fold mountains. And next we discussed about the position of Great Plains. We can see Great Plains in between Western Cordillera and the Appalachians. Okay, and there is a region of vast fertile lowland known as the Great Plains, and we can also call Central Plains. And we discussed about Canadian Shield. In the northern part of the continent, around the Hudson Bay lies the Canadian Shield. The entire Canadian Shield was covered by thick ice sheet during the last ice age, and this area is rich in metallic minerals. And we discussed about rivers of North America. North America has a large number of rivers. Many rivers are there. Mississippi is the most important river of the continent. Okay, I hope that all of you understood up to here, and I am going to give the question answers of last lesson. All of you please see and write the question answers in your notebook. Okay. Here is the first question. What is a mineral? Answer is here in page number 42. Points to remember. Mineral is a naturally occurring chemical compounds found in rocks. So you can see your textbook and you can write the answer. It is already written there. Question number 1. Okay.